At the last video we covered tuples, and in this video we'll cover the sets. Sets are very powerful structures, it store the data unsorted way. I mean, there will be no sort. We have seen the list, you can sort either ascending or descending, but in the set you can't do it, in the set, item can be available only one, no duplicate items available, I mean, you cannot put the two apples in a one set. It has to be only one, and sets are very powerful compared to list and tuple, so it's a very advantage, and it has a very powerful set operator like unions, difference, and intersection. We'll do the examples in a code, so you can see what is union, what is difference, and intersection. It is a very very easy to compare items within the set. I mean, if there is a big large set, you can compare the items within the set. It's very powerful. So now, how to create the set? This is how you can create the set. Name of the variables equal to set for the empty. And then this is a very tricky part. If you create the set like this, my set equal to set and curly brace, this will be created as a dictionary. It will be there will be no set, but the empty set, it has to be the first bracket, like this curly brace. But if you use the curly brace, it will be the second. It will be dictionary. Consider Python interpreter will say is a dictionary. But if you put the items inside it, it will be a set, So this is a very tricky part. Make sure you remember this. And how to search items. This is how items, name of the items, is it in my set, items in my set, it will be true or false, and the search feature, I said earlier, it's very fast. It is the advantage of our list and tuple, and how to add the items in a set, built-in function my set dot add. This is the name of the set, I put the variable name and name of the items, this is the built-in function. And if you want to remove anything, it has two functions. One is discard, and if you use the discard method, discard functions, then if the item is there inside the set, it will delete it, but if there's no items inside that set, it won't give you any error message. But if you use the remove functions, and if the item is not available inside the set, it will give you the error message, so just keep in mind this, and set does not maintain order, so it is not sortable, I said earlier, it will be unordered, if you run the program, you'll see the item is in one order. If you run the second time, so you'll see the items are in different order, so, and you can add or remove the items as well, Now, how to update set, what I mean, you can add two sets together, or the list or tuples, you can put together and it will update and create the new set, and the new set, but make sure you never use the string, because if you use the string, it will consider each letter as a sequence, So we'll show you an example in a code, how to do it, how to update the set, and this is a very powerful operator, very operations, inside it has set, So let's say I've created two set, a first set and second set. And how to do union, what is the union? So this is the method, first set dot union, second set, the first set, and this is the symbol in a code we'll use, first set and straight line the second set, and this will create one new set with both items for everything together, with a create new set, and intersection, how to do intersection. This operator, first set and the second set, and this will get a new set with only items which are available in both set. Let's say Apple has available in the first set, and Apple has available in the second set, and these items will capture, and create the new set. And the difference is, when you use the difference in this operator, this will create a new set that are not available in both set. Let's say the Apple is available only one set, it's not available in the other set, then these items will capture and look at the new set, so we'll show you examples in the code, what is exactly it is, so I hope you guys enjoy, please do subscribe my channels and let me know if I am going anything wrong, it will encourage me to get more content, hope see you next video. Thanks, bye bye.